let's walk through number 1 of our practice test. All right, so this says your house is located at 0, 0. That means our house is right here at the origin of this graph. To get Chick-fil-A from your house, you walk 4 blocks east and 3 blocks north. All right, so let's take a look at this compass just in case you don't know which way that is. We know that north is going up, and we know that east is going to the right. All right, so we'll start off east, that's going to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And then we know we go 3 blocks north. And remember, north would be up. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. All right, so we are right here at this point. And when we go to this next question, it says, what is the ordered pair that corresponds with the location of Chick-fil-A? So remember, anytime we are finding or writing an ordered pair, we know that ordered pairs are represented by X and Y, the location on the X and the location on the Y. So when we look here, we can see that we are located on 4 on the X and 3 on the Y. They're both positive. So that point would be 4, 3. Which quadrant is Chick-fil-A located in? All right, so we now need to remember which quadrant is which. So starting in the upper right, that's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So from here, we can tell that we are in quadrant 1. All right, let's move on. Now it says, you're hungry for dessert, so you leave Chick-fil-A and walk 7 blocks west and 5 blocks south to get to Dairy Queen. 7 blocks west. We know west is to the left, this way. So from here, I'm going to go 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 blocks west, and it said 5 blocks south. South would be down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would be right over here at Dairy Queen. That's a long walk for dessert, but it's worth it. And it says create an ordered pair to represent where we are now. So once again, referencing back here, ordered pairs reference the X location and the Y location. X always comes first. So let's take a look at where we are on the X. We are at -3. Remember, the X is the one that goes across. And then the Y is the one that goes up and down. And on Y, we are at -2. That means our location would be -3, -2. And in what quadrant is Dairy Queen located? Well, that would be quadrant, as we see there, 3. All right, that is number 1 of your practice test. Just plotting points on that coordinate plane, writing ordered pairs for them, and then making sense of which quadrant they are in. Hope that helped you.